Hey guys, it's Mochibi Maxon again, and probably this is gonna be a very simple tutorial. And what I'm gonna show you is how to get a full spec down of any computer, like get the specs, like the threads, the graphics name, the complete RAM, and the computer name, like everything like you would want to know about a computer in one place, just using one program, and it's inbuilt in like from Windows. Was it Windows 7? Yeah, it's inbuilt from Windows 7 up to Windows 10, so it literally must work on like most of the computers out there. So you might need this if you're like a technician and need to know the information of the PC, apart from just knowing the processor name. And even like computer enthusiasts like me, so I always want to like check the specs of any computer that I see that's like interesting. So most people, what they know is coming here and just going to this PC, right clicking and coming to properties. Yeah, that brings you like the processor name and like the gigs of RAM. But let's just admit that's not enough. Like that's completely not enough. Knowing this like processor name and the RAM, you don't even know the computer name and all that stuff. And most computers, you can't just look at it and it will show you the name on it. Mostly the desktops, it will just show you that it's an HP, but it will not like show you the models and all that stuff. So to do this, to get the full spec down, you're gonna come to the search. Let it be Windows 8, Windows 7, Windows 10, and just type DxDiag, which stands for DirectX Diagnostic Tool, and it will bring up this command. Just run it, and sometimes it would bring up a pop-up asking you yes or no. You just click on yes, but it didn't ask me because I have already opened it before. So the another way to open it is using CMD. If you know about CMD, if you don't, just use the first version that I showed you. You just type DxDiag in VLC and just press enter, and that should also open it as well. But I just like using CMD because it just does exactly what I want, no questions asked. And so first we're gonna get a spec down of the PC. It will show us the date here, the name of Windows 10 operating system, Windows 10 Pro 64-bit, and it will show you the language that's being used, the system manufacturer, Hewlett Packard, the system model. It will show you the complete name like HP Compact 8200 Elite MTPC, like the full name. No bullshit, no stuff, just gives you the full name of the computer. And it will show you the BIOS version, and yes, this is the BIOS version I'm using on my, it's the latest one on my HP. And the processor, it will show you the full name, and it will also show you the threads. So mine is at 3.4 with 8 CPU threads, so it's a pretty powerful computer. And RAM, I just have 8 gigs, but we'll be upgrading to 16 pretty soon. And it will show you the page file. If you don't know about the page file, maybe we could look at that another day. You can leave a comment if you want to know what the page file is. And it will show you the DirectX version. Since I'm running Windows 10, DirectX 12 like comes pre-installed. So when we go to the display, it will show you the graphics card. So I have the GeForce GTX 1050 Ti installed, the manufacturer of the graphics card, the display like the VRAM for the graphics card. And to know this information, this kind of information, you have to open up the NVIDIA control panel to know about this information. To show you the display, I'm currently running a 1080p display, 60 Hz monitor, generic PNP monitor. That's not like a name, that's like a name they give to the general monitors. And it will show you the shared memory. So and sound, it would show you the sound devices. So I have the USB sound card. That's like I have my mic plugged into this one, and it's like mostly what I use all the time because the onboard sound pretty much sucks. And this is the onboard sound. So you can even save this information somewhere. You can save the information somewhere. So save information, just save it on the desktop, and we should wait for it. Here it is. And when we open it, as you can see, it will just have the information right there. So this is a pretty neat tool if you're like a computer enthusiast or just a technician, anything like that, this could be a very, very, very useful tool. And so thanks you guys for watching. Like the video, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, leave a comment down below of how to you want to see. And thanks guys for watching, and probably catch you in the next one.